Just like the devotees, they're chanting Hare Krishna. And while they're chanting, they feel so joyous. They start to dance and raise their hands. And sometimes they're just shouting, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You see. Not caring what anyone thinks. Because they're feeling great joy from within. You see. So this is natural. This is not artificial. So our principle is that everyone should chant Hare Krishna here with us, in their home, on the street, on the bus, in their car, on the plane, anywhere, in the closet, in the field. No restriction. Anytime, day, night, morning, noon. And after chanting, like today, come and take a feast. Eat plenty of Krishna prasad, the spiritual food stuff, supernatural food stuff. So this is a very natural process. And then if one is a little philosophical, if he wants to go deep into the subject matter, what is this universe? Who am I? What have I come here for? Where am I going? And then read these books. Study from His Divine Grace, Srila Swami Maharaj, the Acharya here of Los Angeles. He'll give you deep insight into these teachings, how to fulfill one's life fully. Actually, I have come here simply to get his association and some advanced teachings from him.